Hello, dear listeners, and welcome to another episode of our podcast. Today, we're going to embark on a journey that will transport us from our everyday surroundings to the lush, vibrant, and exotic landscapes of the tropics. Yes, you heard it right. We're going to talk about tropical garden designs and how you can bring the allure of the tropics into your own backyard. Let's start by understanding what a tropical garden is. The tropical garden features tropical plants and requires a good deal of rainfall or a decent irrigation or sprinkler system for watering. These gardens typically need soil that is rich in organic material. The plants are often grown for their vibrant flowers, interesting foliage, or their fruit. Now you might be thinking, but I don't live in a tropical climate. How can I possibly have a tropical garden? Well, the beauty of gardening is that it's all about creating your own little paradise, regardless of where you live. With the right planning, plant selection, and care, you can create a tropical garden in almost any part of the world. So where do we start? The first step in creating a tropical garden is to understand the key elements that make up such a landscape. These include lush vegetation, vibrant colors, exotic and unusual plants, water features, and a sense of seclusion and privacy. Lush vegetation is a hallmark of tropical gardens. Think of plants with large, glossy, and vibrant leaves. Palms, ferns, and bamboo are excellent choices for creating that dense, jungle-like feel. Next, we have vibrant colors. Tropical gardens are not shy when it comes to color. Bright, bold, and exotic flowers are a must. Consider plants like hibiscus, bird of paradise, and orchids. These plants not only add a splash of color, but also bring an exotic touch to your garden. Speaking of exotic, the third element of a tropical garden is the inclusion of unusual and exotic plants. These could be anything from a banana tree to a pineapple plant. The idea is to create a sense of intrigue and wonder, much like you would feel exploring a tropical rainforest. Water features are another key element of tropical gardens. They not only provide a source of water for your plants, but also create a soothing and calming ambiance. This could be a simple bird bath, a pond, or even a waterfall if you're feeling adventurous. Finally, a tropical garden should provide a sense of seclusion and privacy. This can be achieved by using tall plants or trees around the perimeter of your garden, creating a natural green wall. Now that we understand the key elements, let's talk about the design process. Start by sketching out your garden space. Consider where you want to place your larger plants and trees, your water feature, and where you want to create your secluded spots. Next, consider the plants you want to include. Do some research on tropical plants that are suitable for your climate. Remember, not all tropical plants require a hot and humid climate. Many can survive in cooler temperatures and less humid conditions. Once you have your plants selected, it's time to prepare your soil. Tropical plants love rich, organic soil. Consider adding compost or other organic matter to enrich your soil. Now, it's time to plant. Start with your larger plants and trees, then move on to your smaller plants and flowers. Remember to give your plants plenty of space to grow and spread out. Finally, add your water feature and any other finishing touches like garden furniture or decorative items. And there you have it, your very own tropical paradise right in your backyard. Remember, a garden is a living, breathing thing that requires care and attention. So make sure to water your plants regularly, especially during dry periods, and feed them with a good quality fertilizer. Creating a tropical garden is not just about the end result. It's about the journey, the joy of planning, planting, and watching your garden come to life. It's about creating a space where you can relax, unwind, and escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. So why not give it a try? Bring a touch of the tropics to your backyard and create your own little paradise. That's all for today's episode. I hope you found it inspiring and informative. Until next time, happy gardening.